Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the 1xbet login error connection failed problem. So if you're trying to log in but 1xbet keeps showing a connection failed error, just follow along. First, check your internet connection and make sure it is working properly. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data and then open 1xbet again. Next, fully close the 1xbet app and then reopen it. After that, check if you've entered the correct login details, including your username, phone number, and password. You should also update the 1xbet app to the latest version from the App Store. And if the issue still continues, restart your phone and then try logging in again. Next, you need to turn off any VPN or proxy because it can interfere with the connection. And if you're still unable to log in, try accessing your account through the 1xbet website instead of the app. And if nothing works, the issue may be caused by a temporary server problem. So wait and try again later. So those are the best ways to fix the 1xbet login error connection failed problem. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.